Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing the ways to stream on Discord. So in order to stream on Discord, there are several steps in follow. So first thing is that you have to make some changes with your settings. So before you begin with the streaming, you need to go ahead and check your settings. So for that, you need to go to your profile from the top and profile from the bottom left hand side corner, and then go to user settings. So once you are directed to the user settings, so tap the gear icon, and from here you'll need to go ahead and make changes with your video and audio, all sort of things. So you have to make sure to enable all of these features in order to start streaming. Once you've made changes with the following information, now you can begin with the streaming process. So for that, go ahead and open up a particular server from where you actually want to go ahead and start the streaming process. So and then select the voice channel as well, and then begin with the streaming. So you can see right at the bottom there is this icon located. So if you want to show your screen, go ahead and open up your videos. You can also share your screen. You can also share your link and all that sort of things. So that's basically how you can stream on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.